resume. So in this video, we'll be using this website, which I'm saying if you have an Indeed account, you can use it. So to use this website, just hop on it and then you come here, create an account first. So this is a CV I've already built, a simple one. I'm going to do the same in this video. So on your CV, on the resumes here, click on add. So you add or you create a new resume. And then you choose your template. So you can choose, they have a lot of templates. These are the 3 recommended ones, but then they have a lot down here. So me, I go for this. I think this is professional and then it's well aligned. And then it's clean too as well. Some of them, they are crowded. See this? You see the heading is crowded, but here you just have your name and then your address, your phone number, your Gmail, and then that's it. They have a lot of templates, but then we'll be using this. So I already have it selected. So this is how it looks like. So your name, so my name, Tafari Michael, and then my Gmail, and then your phone number is here, and then the city you are in. That's it. And then you can add a summary. So for those buttons, you find them here, manage sections. So when you click on manage sections, it should pop up this ones for you. So you can add all of them. You just turn it on and then you add them to your CV. So you see all these have been added. So that's it. So a summary, you can ask AI to write a summary for you. I didn't prep this website. I always use this POE. They have a lot of AI bots. Yeah, there's a recent question I asked it to create a code for me for my website. Write a summary for me, right? So that's it. Okay. So let's copy this. Copy the selected text and then let's come here. Let's paste it here. Ctrl+V. No, it didn't work. Let's paste it here and then let's save it. But then one thing is, even if you're about to add any option here, they will give you some tips here. Let me clear it and then, yes. So let's say you can use their suggestions, registered names, blah, 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 and then, yeah. But then we will not be using it. Let's use the one that I use the POE website to generate. So good. You have your summary of your CV. Then your experience. Here they have 3 slots, but then you can add a lot. So here, let's say you were, let's do something like this. And then let's add it. The responsibilities, let's use their recommendations. 3. See, we have the first job experience. You can add another one. So you click here, you add another experience. So let's say this one was with Microsoft. Okay, Micron Technology, sales representative. And then let's use their recommendation here. So when you enter the job title, automatically they will give you some of these points to use. So let's add it. So we have another work experience. So if you have 10, you just click here and then you add it. And then for the skills too, they will also give you recommendations on that too as well. So you click here and you edit. Good. So you see you have a lot here. So if you want to add them, you just, sometimes you can even search. You just be searching. Let's say time management is there. Let's problem. Okay, project management, you add it. So they already have it. Let's say you're at their backend. So you just need to search it and then you find it. Let's say SEO. SEO too. You can add it. After that, you save it. So after saving it, you have your skills here too. And then your education, you can add a lot of education. So let's see, our first one was NIC Uni. Okay, NIC Uni. Okay, so they are saying English literature. So that's it. So this is what I was talking about. So here, if your CV is an academic CV, you can add this thing. But then if it's not an academic CV and then you're going to use it to apply for job, I don't think it's necessary for you to include you graduated with a GPA 3.7. Nobody needs that. But then if it's an academic CV, you are using it to apply for scholarships or stuff, you can include it. Yeah, you can include it. But then if it's for jobs, I think you should include the roles you played, like leadership skills and stuff, so they know you'll be of good help to them. So if you have another academic this thing too, you just add it here. I think we are done for there. And then the languages too, they have a lot of languages here. So let's say I can speak English, I can speak Chinese, and then I'm good with French too as well. So I save it, and then you have them here. Now your certificate, you can add a lot. Let's say project management. So let's say you got it from Coursera, you add Coursera. And then you save it, you see it has appeared here. So if you have 50 certifications, just input all of them here and then save it. And then if you have awards too, you can, but if you don't have it, just turn it off. And then sometimes you would like to add some, let's say, sections that are not here. So here you click on the custom section. So let's say you are using it to apply for a job or a scholarship. So they might be asking for reference. So let's say references. So you add the reference section. So let's say reference is available upon request. And that's it. So let's save it. And then you have everything here. So we've built a CV in no time. So the experience, you can add a lot. You can add a lot of experiences. You just click here to add additional ones, or you click here to edit the already made ones you have here. And I think that's it. So after finishing everything, you can download your resume here. You can download it in a PDF form. You can print it if you have a printer available, and then you can download it in text if you want to edit it. But then this website, they save the CVs you've already built. So this is my CV, personal CV, and it's been here since May 25th, 2024. So I don't know why you should download it in text. Let's download it in PDF. Okay. So kindly do what you like and then subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our updates.